Vlogger from foreign them no top call me name. Me hear them a chat bout countryman fame. Me hear them a chat bout countryman game. Vlogger style out, pam me jet plane. And vlogger style out, pam me gold train. No take toes of vlogger, we have in a the camp. All mad vlogger, no we not ramp. Send the terror vlogger, down a Baghdad. Countryman, me have to take a stand so.
Pleaded not guilty to being part of a criminal organization and other charges. The alleged leader of the gang, Andre Blackman Bryan, and his 32 accomplices include a woman. Now, Raquel Porter is covering the trial and now joins us in studio. Raquel, what can you tell us?
Thank you. So the Wondan gang is a splinter of the Klansman gang, which is based in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. There was heavy police presence in the vicinity of the Home Circuit Court this morning. The matter was called up about 10 o'clock. The court was told that the alleged gangsters are accused of committing murders, conspiracy to murders, and arson between 2015 and 2019. They are being tried under the Anti-Gang Act and the Firearms Act. The prosecution, during the opening arguments today, Ermond, outlined the role that the gang leader, Andre Blackman Bryan, and his 32 accomplices, including a woman, played.
We assert that the leader of this criminal organization is the accused, Mr. Andre Bryan, otherwise called Blackman, or Teacher, and Garth, and that the other 32 persons held various roles and had various responsibilities within the gang. Some of these roles, my lord, and responsibilities are notably killers or shooters, bankers, drivers, lookout men or watchmen for the gang, gunsmiths, armorers, and of course, the foot soldiers.
So the court also heard that the lone female accused was linked between gangsters and rogue members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Stephanie Christie, my lord, held the esteemed position of head to the gang's treasury. Miss Stephanie Christie, my lord, held the esteemed position of serving as a liaison officer between the incarcerated members of the gang and those that were free. She was also responsible for securing legal representation for any member of the gang that may so need one. And she also served as a link between gang members and wary members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
So tomorrow, 2 former members turned state witnesses are expected to testify from a remote location.
All right, thank you very much. Raquel Porter there giving us the latest.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now look at the screen in front of you, and I guess you watched the video earlier that was played. These guys, the Klansman, one man or whatever hell gang, and Blackman is going to prison from what I see. Now, let me lick a shot for them. One more shot for them. Now, from listening, because I'm giving my take, from listening to what the Crown prosecutor came out with, they're alleging that this gang is very organized. This black guy here is the leader. They're also saying they have gunsmith, bankers, they got contract killers, they got lookouts, and everything in between. Now, it's weird because I guess the picture they're painting, we're not seeing that with how broke these guys are. You have the policeman who spoke in court yesterday and said that he collected 80 to 100 grand every day except Saturday. So that amounts to 480,000 Jamaican a week, 1.9 million every month, and for the year, for 12 months, it's $23 million Jamaican. Now, if you times that times, say, 4 or 5 years, so it's about 100 million or more. So where's that money? You don't see none of that money. So that's what's kind of screwing with me. Now, the witness also said this guy in front of you gave out contract killings to kill people. Now, that will send him definitely to prison, especially if they can prove that that person over there died and this guy did it. So, saying, all right, Countryman is a contract killer, he killed Doorknob. That alone can't do it. Now, if Doorknob actually had died at a certain time, and the man then can give that kind of statement and time and where or whatever, yeah. So I think they're going to court, they're going to prison. I heard the Klansman is PMP. I also heard the Klansman, Teshamila, Vibes Cartel, Bulby, Bobsy Grange, the PMP big man who resigned the other day, the leader. So I heard the Klansman is mixed up with all of these people. And I also heard the Klansman is from Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and the Prime Minister is from Kitson Town. I heard they ran for a long time because they had political advantage. So I don't know. But what I do know is that this was a badly run gang. I don't see where all the money is because, like I said, broke and hungry badness. This gang, it's setting a precedent with the C-Talk, the new anti-gang legislation. And one more thing. And this gang, they set a precedent by having the most informer in any gang. So, yeah, because there's quite a few people in this gang who turn informer. And I heard that this guy right here, he also turned informant. Blackman turned informant and start talking about certain things with cartel and certain other people, vice versa. So there's a lot of mix-up and drama going on with these girls. Maybe you should name Black Girl or Black Woman because it's pure drama and mix-up and informer. And you see that lady on the left, Paula Lewin. You see how old she look now? The job took a toll on her. She is not giving up. And I heard she's mixed up in a lot of shit too. But, yeah. This gang is one of the worst gangs that ever came out of Jamaica. Badly run, informants are very vicious and dangerous, heinous. And yeah, just one big mess. And like I say, I voted this guy, the king of hungry badness and the king of broke badness. And it looked like he's still getting it. And they're going to prison because they have the most informant. They're voted #1 for the most informant, most drama, and the most bullshit in a gang. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, check out the notification button, check out the WhatsApp group, and the join member section. And before I leave, I bust 2 shots to that boy, Blackman and the Klansman gang. Countryman out. One more shot.